So here is this article from the Hindu. Cripple and scuttle on vacancies in information commissions. Now let's try to understand what the headline means first. Cripple means to disable, to damage something. So if something is not functioning properly, it is damaged. Here it is specially a government institute. So here cripple means damaged and not functioning properly as expected. Scuttle can be simply understood as one word, stop. That means not letting something function. So to stop something from happening. Here this headline is cripple and scuttle on vacancies in information commissions. That means in information commissions, the vacancies that are not being filled, they are crippling the institution, that they are damaging the institution and they are not letting them function properly. Okay, now let's look into this article. Here I am going to read some phrases. Here, amendments to dilute its efficacy. Amendments to dilute efficacy means when you dilute something, that means you are reducing the strength of something. Diluting an acid means that you are reducing the strength of the acid. So here amendments have been made, changes have been made in the laws to dilute, to weaken its efficacy. Efficacy means ability to function properly. So there have been amendments in the law so that the ability for the laws to function properly is weakened. Another way to scuttle the law. Another way to scuttle the law, here it means that another way to put a full stop to this law from functioning is to cripple the functioning of information commissions at the central and state level. So this is just another way. So by not filling the vacancies is just another way to put a stop to the law from functioning properly and cripple, damage the institution.